Hello there, it's Jay here from Jay's Vintage Junk, and today something a bit different. I'm over here with RetrogamerVX, and we are looking at his, which I can't even get in a full shot, but his 16mm projector. And what we've done so far today, trying to get this thing up and running. We have just done the basics so far, which means this capacitor bank here, these main smoothing capacitors, we've reformed them. Basically what we've done is I brought my variac up there, we used that. See if I've got one kicking about in here. Very simple to do this, even if I can't find what I use. Yeah, I was just looking to see if there was a diode in there. I did throw some spare diodes in, but I've obviously lost them. But everyone knows what a diode looks like anyway. But basically what we did is we got a diode. We used the lamp limiter there to limit the current. The AC output of that, we put it through a diode, so we had a rough DC. So we had a rough DC output. We connected that to the smoothing capacitors there. We started at about 80 volts and we very slowly wound that up to 250 volts. And over about half an hour, 40 minutes, the capacitors reformed and none of them got hot. We had no leakage on them. So considering this is like 50-year-old projector, they're 50-year-old capacitors, they are all original. They're still in perfect condition. Now these are made in Germany, these capacitors, and in the 50s and 60s Germany really didn't make the best electronic components, so I wasn't too surprised that they didn't. They reformed okay. So after we got them up and running, we hooked up some power to this, and I will demonstrate what we've got so far. Oop.
Would you like me to reel some in for sound?
You can do, yes. Let's just show them. Let's show it working first. So there we go. Can we remember what we did? Oh, is that
yeah,
into? Which one are we on? There we go. As we can see, mechanically the projector is working absolutely perfectly. There's no nasty clunks and bangs from any of the mechanics. All the bearings seem good. I'll just shut that off for a second. We have the amplifier working. We're just going to see if we can just thread up a little bit of film.
For you. Not the official threading method.
No, just so we can get, yeah, just see if we can get some sound coming out of it.
Alright, what are we doing? Oh, where's the light?
Is it, you have to have the play button pressed, the other one.
Right.
That one. There we go, that's audio.
There's the light.
That's it, you got it.
That's loud enough.
Yeah, and that's only half volume.
I think that works.
Yep, so far we have mechanical operation, we have the audio section up and running. The next thing that we need to get working is this here.
This evil bugger.
Now this is the lamp unit. There's the lamp, which is still in quite good order. I can see in there, and it doesn't look like it's got that many hours on it, to be honest.
It's pretty clean actually.
It looks very clean.
There's very little marking on it.
Yeah, because they start to go opaque, and even the glass can start to bubble when they start to fail. So no, that's in nice good order. The problem that we have is these types of lamp run on DC. They use a couple of kilovolts to start them as a starting voltage, and then to maintain the arc they use a high current DC voltage. And the problem we have so far is we don't have the DC source for it. This is the wiring. We have plus and minus, which should use between 24 and 40 volts DC at quite an ampage, probably up to 40 amps. The smaller wire is what's called the exciter wire. That's what produces the high voltage. Well, produces the low voltage into the high voltage transformer to actually start the arc. And then the other two are the low voltage high current DC. And this would have obviously used an external DC source to power that, which unfortunately we don't have up to now. So I think I'm going to have to build one. I will take the remains of a moving light, a Martin Mac moving light that I've got lying around, which has a suitable transformer in it. I'll have to build that into a little safety box, which will give us our high voltage starting arc, and it will give us our low voltage high current DC. So with that up and running, we should be able to get the lamp to strike, and as we've seen already, we have audio, we have mechanical movement. As soon as we have that, we should have a fully working vintage 1960s cinema projector. Okay, I will leave that at this now, so thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.